Operational planning. Operational planning, OP, is the process of planning strategic goals and objectives to technical goals and objectives. It describes milestones, conditions for success, and explains how, or what portion of, a strategic plan will be put into operation during a given operational period, in the case of commercial application, a fiscal year, or another given budgetary term. An operational plan is the basis for and justification of an annual operating budget request. Therefore, a 5-year strategic plan would typically require 5 operational plans funded by 5 operating budgets. Operational plans should establish the activities and budgets for each part of the organization for the next 1 to 3 years. They link the strategic plan with the activities the organization will deliver and the resources required to deliver them. An operational plan draws directly from agency and program strategic plans to describe agency and program missions and goals, program objectives, and program activities. Like a strategic plan, an operational plan addresses 4 questions. The operations plan is both the first and the last step in preparing an operating budget request. As the first step, the operations plan provides a plan for resource allocation. As the last step, the OP may be modified to reflect policy decisions or financial changes made during the budget development process. Operational plans should be prepared by the people who will be involved in implementation. There is often a need for significant cross-departmental dialogue, as plans created by one part of the organization inevitably have implications for other parts. Operational plans should contain